Today we're going to show you how to install a Draw-Tite hidden hitch, part number 76913. This custom product was uniquely designed to be a receiver hitch only when you want one and gives you a clean factory-style back-end look when not in use. This hitch application fits the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. For this installation, you'll use the following tools. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. Before installing the hidden hitch onto the vehicle, you must first connect the receiver housing. To do this, take the receiver and the weather covers out of the case. Detach the provided key and use it to unlock the blue handle. Then press the blue handle and rotate it clockwise until the receiver housing releases and can be removed. Finally, locate the top weather cover and attach it to the housing. Take the housing and insert it into the center of the hitch with the protruding bolt hole facing outward. Slide a flat washer onto the two M12 bolts and insert the bolts through each of the holes in the housing and the hitch. Then loosely install an M12 nut onto each bolt and torque each to 92 foot-pounds. Once that's done, take the bottom weather cover out and attach it to the bottom of the housing in the center of the hitch. This will keep the housing unit clean and free of debris when the hitch is not in use. Moving to the vehicle, remove the 4 existing M14 factory bolts from inside the frame rails. Set these aside, you will need them in a moment. Next, raise the hitch into position, sliding it between the inside of the frame rails, which is easier with the second set of hands. Take the M14 factory bolts you removed in the last step and loosely secure the hitch to the frame rails. Then use a torque wrench to tighten the M14 bolts to 115 foot-pounds and you're done with the installation. This Draw-Tite hidden hitch is now secure on the vehicle. Because of its uniqueness, there are a few more steps that we'd like to show you before you hit the road. First, peel off the labels and apply one to the top of the removable receiver and the other to the inside door jamb on the driver's side. Be sure to keep the card in the glove compartment. When you're ready to use your hidden hitch, take the weather cover off the bottom and store it in the case. Next, you'll be inserting the removable receiver into the receiver housing. Before inserting, make sure the pin at the top is down. Then push the removable receiver upward into the receiver housing until it clicks and the blue handle turns. You will know it's firmly in place when the indicator on the handle shows green. Finally, take your key, lock the handle, and you're done. The hitch is ready to use. This concludes the installation of this Draw-Tite hidden hitch, part number 76913, on a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. For more information on this and other great Draw-Tite products, visit draw-tite.com.